guys, I hope you're all doing well today. This is the fourth video of my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a boxing champion monster. So first of all, we're going to draw a curve. Two curves actually, and join those two curves up there. But in that gap, so we're going to draw some 3 spikes for some hair. And then we're going to draw the headband. So first of all, we're going to do a line and another line underneath and another line in the middle. And then we're going to draw his eyes. So you do a curve, another curve, do a curve, and another curve. See his eyes like that. Then we're going to draw his pupils like that. Do the same thing. And fill them in. Then we're going to draw 2 diagonal lines with 2 bumps for his nose. And we're going to draw a line, another line, another line, and then some monster teeth, which are triangles. If you have watched my first video, you would have known that. And then we're going to draw his body. So we're going to do a line for his neck, and then we come around there for one of his arms. And then we're going to draw his big hand, which is 3 bumps, because he's a boxing champion, he needs big hands. Then we're going to draw his legs, it's really furry. But first of all, we're going to just do some chunks, and then fill them in with lines to make them hair. And then we're going to draw big feet. And then we're going to draw the same thing we done here. We're going to do line, very big hand. So we do that. So that's his body, but we haven't done the hair on his arms. So we do lots of triangles for like the monster teeth coming out there. Hair or spikes, whatever you decide. And then we're going to draw a fill in sides. But we need to leave space for the middle. And we're going to do. So now we're going to do the middle. So we do a big line, and then another line, then a circle. Okay, he's a boxer and a monster, so we're not going to do any ordinary middle. We're going to draw a hand in the middle of a medal. Then we're going to draw another medal. Just like that, and then half the hand. And then another medal. And another half the hand. And now we are done with our monster. Thanks for watching.